Oh, it works! I haven't told you guys, but we've plugged it in and everything's sort of connected up. I don't want to spoiler it though. I just want to charge the battery first and then we'll focus on that. Okay, right. Go stand at the back because the exhaust is going to be like a 3-month old start. Dad, coming to the rescue. Today we were back working on the Golf. Oh, I need to actually go get it. This is what we are installing today. This was a birthday present from Lucy, which I am so excited to install. It's a double DIN Pioneer head unit, and yeah, it has Android Auto, Bluetooth, Spotify, all the fancy stuff basically. And I've wanted these for such a long time, but I've never had that spare money. I'm like, yeah, I'll just buy it. I'm very happy with this. Where are the tools? Oh, Duff! Hello, Duff. You good girl? Yeah. You like in the sun? Huh? What? You chatting shit? No. First thing we've got to do is put the battery back in, because the battery died. Bang! You shat yourself. I don't even know if the battery charged. I don't think there's any life. We're probably going to have to disconnect that and then take it over to the Audi to then connect.
The Audi's going to save this car's life this time.
Yeah, just giving the life back to it. Pizza time! Pizza time. Pizza time. Pizza was alright, wasn't it?
It was actually, it was good.
So, oh my god, I have not felt my gear stick in so long, it feels so small.
I was going to say knob then.
I haven't felt my knob. Today we're installing, I've already said that.
I can't get out of the box. Screwed, that's all we've been over.
Alright, we're going to need these. Oh yeah, because we did it
on the TV.
Yeah.
We've got some wires and a mic.
Alright, so we got a mic, we've got a USB port, and lots of wires. And they're all labelled, so there's parking brake, system remote control, mute. I assume these are for the steering wheel buttons, which I don't need to worry about.
Did you get a CD?
Oh, a CD, operation manual. Big chunk. Ta-da! Yeah, basically what you expect from a touchscreen radio. Not really much else to say. Greasy fingers, I can see them already.
It's got a screen protector on it.
Good. Has it?
No.
Let's get the other one off. So, there's a bunch of screws in here which I'm not too sure where these are going at the moment, but I assume for these we just need to take that off. That came off really easy. Oh, aha, skills. Wait, that's not the bit that we want to undo though, is it?
Just take it out of the pack of the radio for now.
Okay. Wait, can't we just leave that?
Yeah, leave that for now, yeah.
No, we literally can't we just leave it?
We might be able to.
Yeah. Alright, let me take a picture so I remember where everything went. Shall I see if it fits first? Doesn't fit. Well, we got this far and then realised that the cage that comes with it doesn't actually fit. It is slightly too big, so it just won't go in. So I've now bought another one from Amazon, so we have to wait, and it should come Thursday. If it fits that way, it's just slightly too long. Maybe I could just have it at an angle. No,
you could do, because it'd be orientated towards the driver.
True.
Like modern cars.
Look at that. Now I've got some mine, but then, ow.
Just don't change into first.
Or third. or 5th?
Or 5th, don't need damages.
2nd and 4th. That'll do. I'll see you when the new cage comes.
It's made a discovery.
Well, yeah, my boost gauge pipe was getting squished. You can see the indent. That was probably causing the lag in. Oh, that's now snapped.
No.
For fuck's sake, things just keep
Stop touching
breaking.
things.
Why can't I get this out? This has not been changed since I've owned the car, or even removed or cleaned. Well, it did its job. Caught some pollen.
Flat against the wall.
Have you seen the amount of comments of people with the same problem with their door? I'm also talking to the camera.
No, sorry, say that again.
Have you seen the amount of comments?
Yes, a lot of people commented about their door. I saw one person.
Yeah.
Because I occasionally read the comments just in case someone says something nice about me.
Oh, no.
And then when they don't, I cry.
Right, anyway, I'm going to go now. See you guys when the new head unit comes. The head unit cage comes. Bye.
Bye.
I know I said I'd see you when the thing comes, but you know when you just start something and then you get distracted by something else. Now I'm actually removing the tripod cover, so it's been disconnected. I'm actually now removing it. Weight reduction. It turns out I have to remove something else to get to it, and I can't remove it. Now I'll put it back on. Oh, you know what? Fuck it. I'm not removing that today.
You saying bye for now again?
Yeah, bye for now. Sorry.
Again.
See you when the new cages come.
Do you mean it this time?
I think so.
Okay.
It's a few days later and we're back, and we've got. Well, I actually bought a new. I bought a new cage for it, but the cage was a bit loose. I was like, we'll just send it, and I Vaselined up the old cage and managed to push it in. And it's a very snug fit, so it's not going anywhere. But this is the quite shitty one, which is just, what's it called? A universal one. Yeah. This is the universal one, and it's got nothing to hold it in, so it's really loose. It fits, but it's really loose. So I decided we'll just try and do that. But now we're charging. Well, we're about to charge the battery back up and start this car for the first time in what must be about 3-4 months. I'm trying to think if everything's alright and ready to go. I need to top up the coolant a little bit. But the Audi is now giving life back to the Golf. We'll get that Instagram story. Add me on Instagram if I'm ready, it'll be up there.
Bang!
Fuck you.
Right.
I'm not nervous. We need to hairspray that up.
I've got wax.
Oh, it works! I haven't told you guys, but we've plugged it in and everything's sort of connected up. I don't want to spoiler it though. I just want to charge the battery first and then we'll focus on that. Okay, right. Go stand at the back because the exhaust is going to be like a 3-month old start. Dad coming to the rescue. Everything is sounding as it should. I just replaced the pollen filter. I didn't show you because there's not really much point. It's the same as taking it out. What we have done off camera, like I said, we squeezed the cage in. So the cage is squeezed in. It was a really tight fit, but now I know that it's not going to slip out. And then the Pioneer unit just pushes into that cage. Oh, we need to rewire the sub wire. Yeah, that's what we need to do. I'm going through a phase now with this car. I want everything to be perfect on it. Before I was just sort of bodging everything. Like there's bits on there which aren't perfect. And now I want everything to be perfect. I don't want anything to be half-assed. I want it to be good. Like with this tray, I was going to be so pissed off if I had to resort to using Velcro with their loose cage. So I'm very glad that it fits. And now I'm looking for something to wire the amp up with. My dad said that we had some light bulbs, screws. I'm sure he said that we had some. Oh, they could be in here actually. Yeah, there they are. Is there a one? Am I right to just, yeah, like that, and then I'll just snap it off. Is that right? I love the focusing on this camera. It knows exactly what I'm looking at. Love it. Now we're going back over to that. Now we're going back over to this. Oh wait, this is sick. I love it. Well, I sort of mentioned it in the other video. I got a new camera and a new mic. I think I actually already did mention that. What's it like? It's now, the camera is a Canon M50, so it's a mirrorless camera rather than a compact camera. I wanted it specifically for this mic because the audio was just getting worse and worse, and now it should be crystal clear. The guy sent his lights off, sent my lights off back to me, so they should be all repaired. Pardon me. Should be all repaired. Oh fuck. Let's set this up first. So everything's connected. I'm actually going to put the ignition back on. L'Anglaise network mode then, because it's got a sub.
Do you not use the unit and stand up on the speaker system for that?
It must be network mode. Yeah. All right. Does antenna require power? So what do I put? I don't have a digital audio broadcasting antenna at the moment in time, but I will because I want one. Please set your DAB antenna power settings. Does DAB antenna power require active? Only use a function when it is safe and okay. Radio. I haven't heard any audio. What do you reckon it is because the sub isn't done, so it might be cutting. I don't know.
Maybe.
That'll be cutting off the circulation. Let's try some Spotify.
You'll get
I'm going to turn it down. Nothing's happening. There's no audio coming from it. Okay, let's figure this out.
One option is home base on Twickenham Road in Feltham. Is that the one you want?
No.
The second is home base Walton-on-Thames on New Zealand Avenue, Walton-on-Thames, about 3 miles to your south.
No.
The third is home base on the Causeway Staines-upon-Thames, about 4 miles to your west in the
They're all open till 8 PM.
Alright, yeah, we can go there if you want.
Yeah, because I want to go to Halfords as well, sorry.
We did a boo-boo. He did a boo-boo.
He did a boo-boo.
He didn't realise that there was a second plug. So we're sitting there thinking, why is there only one plug when there's two? And Lucy's dad just came around. He's really good with electronic stuff. And he just dug into the radio and pulled out this other lead, which, yeah, as you can see, there's now two. So it's
you
now,
can't see because your hands in there.
it's now getting audio.
Well done.
So now I just need to connect the remote for the amp. This is about the third time I've connected a radio up to another car, so I'm sort of getting the basics of it now.
Apart from there's a second plug.
Yeah, apart from that. That was your fault.
How was it my fault?
Because you didn't see it.
No.
Okay, this is how you wire a remote system for the sub amplifier. As you can see,
We'll go around the other side again.
system remote connects to the sub amplifier. So, I fucking need a wire stripper. Ta-da! Wait, do I need to tangle these up first?
No, you put one in either side.
Alright, moment of truth. Where is
The key. This is key.
Kiss 100? But we can't play the music because of copyright reasons. We gotta turn that bass up. This is where the battery now dies.
Yeah.
I don't know if the sub is on.
I don't know what this does. Ooh. Put it back to the drop. Ah. Here we go, boys. Ready? Right, put it back. Put it back on.
Put a different sub.
Yeah, put a good song on. That's better.
That works.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because that it cuts off like the low. Oh, we want super bass.
Battery
died.
It's not even on. Oh.
Thank you for watching this Muppet.
Oh, hey guys. Thanks for watching another video. We did it! We actually did it. We, yeah, everything's sorted. No, it looks good, but the fitment it's a bit of a tight squeeze to stop the video. So thank you for watching, guys. Really appreciate all your support for the Golf being back. Can we try and hit 200 likes? He's shaking his head, but yeah, we are going to prove him wrong. 200 likes on this video. Can we get a bit of a noddy swan for 200 likes? Yeah! Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Looking forward to more videos. I want to do the splitter. We're going to put the splitter on that next time.
Remember, I'm on holiday. Next Saturday, I go to Cornwall.
When are you back?
Following Saturday, and then we're going to that car thing on the Sunday.
I've got that whole week off. It's August 5th to August 8th, 9th. We can do it during the day.
We can do it during the day.
Alright, splitter won't be the next video then. Splitter will be in a few weeks' time.
You'll think of something. You'll think of something rubbish to film.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Next week, next Sunday, 6 PM. Thank you. Bye.